Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the right side of the speaker, we have this plug with a model name. You need to open this plug, and here's USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. At the top of the speaker, right here we have a power button, and at this power button we see the LED light, meaning that your speaker is charging. The next one is to use your phone, and all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port at your speaker at the right side. The same LED light, so it also works. Now, the last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your speaker using, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Now connect USB-A cable to your PC or another device with USB-A port, and USB-C cable at the right side of the speaker. Here we go. And also this LED light, so it also charge your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.